kindest and most humble artists in the music industry. I mean, how could a music legend like him, with a net worth of more than $100 million, walk barefoot in public places like this? And when people recognize him, especially the media, he entertains them instead of pushing them away. Or how he stops to give his love button to a security guard. Have you ever heard of any celebrity recognizing a fan from a previous concert? Chris does not hesitate to stop a performance to help a fan who fell off the stage. Is he okay? And even if what the fan did was wrong, trying.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, traders. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're all well. Hope everybody's good. Hope everybody's been profitable. Let's have a look at the old Discord. Morning brief. What's going on, Slavic? No news today. XRP at $1. Can't believe it. Put a bunch of signals out there again today. This one actually kind of looked interesting to me on this BSX. They gained the weekly, and then also TrendSpider put out an announcement on it too, that the CEO bought $9 million worth. Kind of interesting at a key level. So one to keep your eye on, guys. BSX, Boston Scientific. I would imagine that's gonna pop. Let's look at the market wrap from yesterday. Broadly positive. All right, man. Let's have a look at these markets. Yeah, how's everybody doing today? Everybody good? We kind of missed an entry here on Russell. I would have took this entry this long, but I missed it. The TrendSpider. So TrendSpider is they're a company. They have a charting company. It's like a trading view kind of, but they have a bunch of instruments in the charting. The reason I have it in the Discord is just because they post a lot of charts, and they post charts that are at good levels sometimes. So that's the only reason I have it. This is just a feed from their X. So like they post a ton of charts, and they sometimes they post them at good levels. Like this one today is a good example, right? This is a good chart. I'm good, doing good, man. Can't complain. A little frustrating today with the working with AI all day, but still, it was okay. AI is pretty stupid. It fucked up some of the shit in my Discord, and then I'm training it to do for automated trading, and it's I don't know, I'm just hitting my head against the wall. And I trained it up for like 4 hours, and then it still didn't understand what the fuck was going on. So great. This looks like it's going to new highs, man. I wish I got that entry, man. That's too bad. Maybe we'll be able to get a retest. That was a good entry. Let's have a look at all the markets here. Let's have a look at all the markets here. Squeezing out. They're just gonna keep pushing this. Makes it hard to trade, you know. They did a big hourly retest there. That's probably it for this range. We'll see. They've made new highs now, so we'll see if they start losing this. If they start losing that level. They've made this real ugly here, so it's hard to get involved, you know. They did have a minute failure. That's on the ES. NQ is probably going to look a lot very similar. Yeah, NQ is very similar. They've pushed to new highs. So we'll see if they start losing this. That's the level to hold now at this point. They've made it real ugly too, to make it, you know, they didn't even lose anything yet, so. Russell. They've pushed the highs and then they held the top range. There's nothing to fail here either for Russell, so on the big time frame. Yeah. YM. What have you done, YM? Oh, YM kind of looks interesting. They didn't quite get down to the level that I was liking, but if they roll this over a little bit more, would be cool. I'd take some longs down here. Kind of a dirty move. They did gain the 5 minute here, and then that was a dirty retest where they stopped everybody out. Let's just look at the 15 minute here. Yeah, they gained the 15 minute too, and then a dirty retest. This is an inside gain though, so you know. I like this below this, a new swing low. So nothing until a new swing low for me. And this is too late in the range to play continuation shorts now. This is very tested, this up here, so if they do pump it, they're probably going to gain it. I would consider shorting up here, but not until then. So kind of like, you know, we're just in the middle here, man. Like there's nothing to do. Let's just look at CL. CL gained the 4 hour. So coming in for a 4 hour test. Yeah, nothing really to do there. Look at gold. Gold failing. Oh, they barely failed it. This probably still has room to the upside. They did barely fail it. What's going on, Craftsman? 7801. What's up, brother? Bitcoin. Continuation down. Might have a little bounce here. This is going to continue down though. Don't mind this area up here. Yeah, above this. If they did pump it, this would be the short here. Above here. Yeah, there's some shit in there. Yeah, this swing. And then that's pretty much it. Fuck this. No one trades this, huh? So that's pretty much it, man. We're not going to be doing too much trading until like something resolves here. So it's going to be like kind of just waiting for the open. I'm available now for teaching. So if Slavic, if you have questions, or anybody else in the chat have questions, you can feel free, and I'm up for showing. It's gonna be pretty low key on the old trading today, I think. We'll see what the open brings, but I think it's gonna be like a slow grinder up. Hype on the daily. Give me a hype. Hype on the daily. Second test on this daily. Tested the top. So the first one tested the bottom, second one tested the top. So this is fully tested now. We'll see. This is tested already. They tested that here, right? So I wouldn't imagine this is gonna hold. I imagine this is headed lower. This bottom of the absolute bottom of this daily can be tested. We'll see what happens there, but that's still, yeah. Hype's going here. 43. 43. Unless they gain this. If they start gaining this, then we can talk about it. Yeah, sure. I mean, all of crypto looks pretty shit. What basics should you know to before getting into a strategy? Well, you should do some paper trading for like a week or two, sure. But it's the problem with paper trading is there's no emotion attached to it. So that's why I don't really like it too much. But it's okay to like figure out the software and like so you know how to chart and know how to work things. So do it for a week or two, sure. But then after that, you should start trading with real money, even if it's just small money, you know? That's why I always recommend crypto at first, because you can make your position size as big as you want, you know, or as small as you want. Forex is kind of the same way. I think you can position size down, right? So you can make your positions small. You need to trade small at first, Slavic, because you're going to lose. Whatever you put in there, you're going to lose. Just get ready, because that's just how it works. You're probably going to lose for half a year, at least. And as far as trying Forex and gold, it doesn't really matter what you try. It's all the same. It's all charts, so it doesn't really matter. They work on everything. So all the indices are probably the best. So ES, NQ, Russell 2000, and the YM. Those four are probably the best. You just need stuff with lots of liquidity, right? Like liquidity makes price action. So you need stuff that is like has tons of liquidity in it. So those ones are good. You can trade the CFDs, so they're, you know, you can trade it on a smaller level. Yeah, trading meme coins is just gambling. Don't trade meme coins. Even meme coins, price action won't really work on meme coins, you know what I mean? Unless it's like a meme coin that has a ton of liquidity in it. But ones that are like this low float stuff, it's not going to work very good because there's no money in it to fucking prop up the price. So it's easy to break levels. So when that happens, price action doesn't work very well. Yeah, you should really just watch the training video. Did you watch the training videos already on the YouTube channel? There's only about half an hour there. It's not too much. I'm pretty lazy. Yeah, he's in the Discord already, Craftsman, I believe. That's where I would start. Just watch the training videos and then come back with questions. And then just do proper setups, man. Like when you're trading, you just trade properly. That's all I can recommend. Yeah, he's in the Discord. He's been coming. I think we might have got one here. Someone that actually wants to learn. A lot of people come in here, Slavic, and they're like, yeah, I want to learn. And then like I talk to them 2 times and then I never talk to them ever again. You know what I mean? So like the thing about trading is like you need to show up and do it, right? It's not like easy money. Like it's far from easy money. It's easy money now, but like when you're learning, it's not easy when you first learn, right? You really need to learn how to get your emotions under control. I don't know. Some people can do that fast. It took me fucking forever to get a handle on it. But some people can like pick this shit up in like 6 months, man, really. And they're like super profitable. And then you got people like me who are still just grinding it out after 15 years, like making like lucky to make $500 a day. Yeah, just watch the videos, look at the training section in the YouTube. That goes through like a lot of the basics, you know, of price action. Whatever you do, you should just make sure you're just trading price action. And if anybody is trying to sell you a course, just fucking run away, man, because it's a scam. There are very, very few courses out there that are worth it. Trade Zumos is pretty good, but besides that, really, I took a bunch of courses and like most of them were shit. Most of them were just giving like wrong information. Yeah, it's all good, man. I appreciate you dropping in. Yeah, good. You don't need to. Really, you don't need to buy a course, man. You can learn everything that you want from here or from other places that teach price action. And then don't worry about the money. The money will come. It's once you know what you're doing. It's pretty easy to make 500, like around $300 to $500 a day. I'm not even good at trading, and I can make $300 to $500 a day. I'm pretty sure, like, once we have the trading bot going, I think the bot will be better at trading than I am, because the bot, there's no emotions attached to it. It'll just like do what I say. A little bit of selling on YM. They did have a 1 minute failure. I didn't take it though. Wouldn't mind longing the YM, but just a little bit lower, man. Yeah, it totally depends on the market, but you're right, around 2 to 3. That's it. There's no need to take any more than that. I mean, if I was in a different time zone, I would probably take maybe 5 or 6, because I would come to the end of the day at the market too, because there's volatility at the end of the day. But between like 11 and 2:30, there you shouldn't trade, because there's almost no volatility in the market. So you should just trade in the morning, and then if you want, come back at the end of the day and trade the last like 2 hours of the day, and just look for setups. That's the best way to do it that I found. But the end of the day is, I live in Indonesia, in Bali, so it's too late, man. It's like fucking 3 in the morning. You know what I mean? So it's too much. So I just trade just the market open is enough for me. Many people just trade the market open, like tons of people just go there for the open, and then that's it. It's kind of it's a better lifestyle of trading, you know what I mean? Because then you're in and out in like 2 hours, you know. I come here early, but you know, you could sit down at like 9:20. $14:30 Germany time. What time is that in Eastern, in New York? You're always at the stream here, right? So you know, this is the time for trading. In 30 minutes, the market opens. So I mean, it doesn't really matter if it what's 14:30? Yeah, you work till 8:30. Yeah, if you work till 8:30 a.m., that's perfect time for trading. You can get home in 30 minutes. You'll be at your computer at 9. Like now, around now. And then in 30 minutes, it said it was 8:30. 14:30 in Germany is 8:30 a.m. in New York. Yeah. So if that's your time, that's perfect timing. Because if you get home, then in 20 minutes from now is when the market opens. That's really the only time you need to be at your computer. And honestly, you could be there for an hour and you could be done. You could be there for 30 minutes really and be done if you wanted to. Depends on the setups, but yeah. Usually I would account for at least an hour. It's pretty good timing. Did you see that the latest in the Discord there, Craftsman? I don't know if you saw this. I put it out in signals too. These guys gained the weekly and the CEO bought 9 million worth of shares, so this one's probably gonna go. All right, we got about 20 minutes until the open. I'm looking okay for our long in YM. Should have took that short, man. I watched it happen right in front of me, but I didn't take it. They lost the 1 minute here. I just didn't love it, right? Inside 1 minute loss. I don't really like that, but it was a decent short. It worked out. We'll be looking for new lows, like a little bit more down. They did fail the 5 minute here too on the inside. Yeah, they failed this, but it's all inside, man. I don't like that when it's all inside like that. If they do pump it up to this hourly failure, that might be a place to be looking for a short. This failure here. For hourly continuation down, we'll see. They will have gained the hourly if they do that though, so I don't know about that. Just kind of looking for this down here more. I don't really like where the markets are at. I'm feeling this slow grinder. This slow grind up. I'm gonna go for a quick smoke, guys. I'll be back. So on the weekend, the markets are closed. Yeah, except the crypto markets are open. So any questions, guys? Any charts you guys want me to look at? What's going on, BDP? How you doing, bud? What do you think today? Slow grinder, I think. Slow grinder up. Except for YM. YM looks good for a new low. Yeah, I'll be live on Monday to Friday at around this time, around 8:30. Dude, BDP, I just for the last 2 days, I've been training the stupid AI. I'm just trying to get it to trade in the right direction of a 4-hour trend. It can't even, it's hard to even do that. Yeah, it's kind of mad today. I the only thing I'm interested in is YM if it makes a new low. If it makes a new 4-hour low down in this area, I'd be interested in longs. Besides that, I don't think there's anything. Everything's all inside fucking trend here. We'll see. See you later, Slavic. Thanks for dropping in, bud. We'll see about NASDAQ. It is at the highs, so if they have some kind of failure, then yeah. NASDAQ. NQ. Grok just released their new AI model, so I'm thinking I'm gonna finish up with ChatGPT on the Discord stuff. We're almost done. I just have a few more features I want to implement there, and then I'll probably move to Grok for finishing up with the bot, with the trading bot. And maybe like the scanners and stuff. I don't want to use ChatGPT. It's too stupid. You should look at this, BDP. I posted it in the Discord already. These guys, BSX, they gained the weekly. And then TrendSpider also posted about them. CEO buys $9 million worth of shares. So probably one to keep an eye on anyway. BSX Weekly. BSX. Boston Scientific. I think I'm going to be removing this Trend Spider and Truth Social. I don't think we're getting any value from that. Not too much anyway. Trend Spider posts a lot of bullshit. And Truth Social, honestly, I haven't even looked at one post in here, so I think I'm just gonna remove it. This guy posts like, you know, too much, dude. You know what I mean? Every day it's like 10 posts or something like that. It's crazy. Once we have our screener, it's not gonna even the Trend Spider charts, it's like you're not gonna really matter. You're not really gonna see too many. We're gonna see better stuff in our charts. Make sure you guys check out this feed too. If you want some macro picture stuff. I just realized I had it on the wrong screen the whole fucking time. This is the signal BDP. BSX. And then Trend Spider put this out too. This CEO purchases 9 million. Gain the weekly. This is one to look out for. It's probably going back to around $100. It's always interesting when a CEO of a company purchases $9 million worth of the stock and it gained the weekly. That's a very interesting story right there. All right, man. Let's go. Market open, 5 minutes. Get a smooth 5 minute. YM retesting this 5 minute failure inside the Big pump move here on YM. Holding the bottom of the range. I didn't even know he was doing a prop firm. I'll have to talk to him. I'm already affiliated with him if it's affiliated with him on for his course. Trader funded. That's what it's yeah, 100%. I'm gonna get an affiliate link for sure. I'll send him a message fucking right now. I didn't even hear about it. Out of the loop, man. Fuck, he locked down his Discord. I need to send him a friend request first before I can even message him now. I don't know, I messaged him before, you know. We've had lots of conversation before, you know. I don't know why. Now I tried to send him a message. It just said I wasn't allowed. Maybe he's getting too bombed with messages. Oh yeah, trader funded. He has a Discord server. Well, how do I get over to it? You need to be... Here's the market open anyway. You long that YM? I wanted new lows first, man. I guess I can do this after, yeah. What a move, man. I missed it all. I was still thinking new lows here, man. This is pretty close to the hourly failure spot. Nice. This is kind of close to the short spot. I might take a short. Fuck, you're killing it. You're killing it, Jay. All right, I joined the trader funded Discord. What do we got here? Russell's kind of looking like a short now too. A little late to the party here with these. Wasn't paying attention. Yeah, losing the 1 minute here on YM. Missing this short. We'll take a couple. Try a couple of shorts here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, it's cool. I'll definitely switch over there. It's fine. I'm happy to support him, man. That guy basically taught me how to trade. Taught me everything I know, man.
Order filled.
I'm not too huge on copy accounts. I mean, yeah, I will be down the road. The way I do it is I trade one account a day and I just flip it to the next account. And then when I, I always end up blowing up accounts. So like when I blow up an account, it's not that big of a deal. It's just one. Yeah, I know, man. It always happens, dude. I gotta put more security measures. Can you screenshot that and send it to me?
Order filled.
Nulls, can you please just Discord it to me so I can put it at least a warning out?
Order filled.
Taking a little short on ES here. Might be stop out day for Jay. I trade prop still. I like trading prop, man, because it's like, you know, I don't have to worry about blowing up. Like, if you blow up an account, it's not a huge deal, you know. Like, these accounts are dirt cheap, so it doesn't really matter. You know what I mean? So how I do it, Knowles, is I just I trade one account, and then the next day I just trade I flip accounts. So I have I always have 5 accounts. Some are right now, some are paid, some are you have ROI on payouts? What do you mean? %90 at Apex. It's 90% at Apex. And then as soon as the account hits the payout, you just take a payout. And then if you blow up the account, you just replace it. So some of these accounts are taking a couple off on ES here.
Order filled.
Stop the profit too on the rest of that. This YM trade is not looking the best though. Still in it. See if they can re-short this. Re-losing the 1 minute here. Just dump it, man. Since I've started, I'm way ahead since I've started. I probably spent like, I don't know, My last payout was $17,000, right? So that was the last payout I got. But then I blew up the accounts after. So that's why I started doing it this way, because I was like, well, fuck, that's stupid. I took a payout and then I took all the money out, and then you have those circumstances again where you can't go. You know, it's tough at first, right? But I don't know, over the years, but what did I spend? Probably $5,000 or something. I don't know, something like that over all the time. The accounts are dirt cheap, right? I'm really not liking this YM trade anymore. I'll hold on though. Yeah, it sucked though. I took that payout and then I blew up all the accounts because I had them all connected, and I was trading 5 accounts, like copy trading 5 accounts. So like once I blew up all the accounts at once, I was like, I can't have that happen again. So I'll just do it this way. I'll build it up small, or I'll build it up slow, and as I get more accounts, then I'll start copy trading again. But I'll still keep it like this, where it's like one account for one day, and then the next day I trade a different account, and then the next day I trade a different account. And then because for sure you're gonna blow up accounts, right? It just happens to everybody, man. When you're trading prop. So, you know, it's not a big deal if you just blow up one account and you have 10 more.
Stop filled.
I'm closing off that trade. I'll reshort this again on the hourly failure right here, actually.
Order filled.
Yeah, I don't have eyeballs though, so it's you know, what can you do? I don't really have eyeballs. Not that many. Yeah, I guess. We'll see.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm not, you know, I'm making money anyway, and like this is all kind of like a side gig anyway for me. You know, I have a whole villa rental business, so like it's not a huge deal for me really. I mainly do this just so I'm not alone when I'm trading, and I can talk to some people. Yeah, YM is blasting. I know I'm shorting it. It's the worst.
Order filled.
This is an eval that was close to getting blown up, so I'm kind of just going big on it. And we'll see what happens, you know. Hopefully they fail this hourly. Back down to here. The account is already the account is already dead. All right, I am going big. I got 16 short right now. Is ES give another short ad opportunity? I kind of missed it. Got stopped out on the rest of that short. We get a little bit of a dump here. YM. Can we have a little bit of a dump, please? Let's go to new lows. Can you imagine? New 4-hour swing lows down here and go test this.